Welcome to TimeBeat Breaking News Channel. Here are our breaking news today. 1. The Home Office breached its own rules deporting Vietnamese migrants. 2. Bristol police admitted protest ban under COVID powers was unlawful.
The UK. The Home Office breached its own rules deporting Vietnamese migrants. Almost half of the Vietnamese migrants forcibly removed from the UK on a Home Office charter flight are understood to have been put on the plane in breach of the department's own rules. 27 Vietnamese nationals were brought in on Wednesday on a flight taking off from Birmingham. It is believed to have been booked with holiday airline TUI, though the company refuses to confirm or deny this. 14 people were forced to return and 13 people voluntarily left. Government rules state that everyone must have 5 working days with full access to legal advice before being removed so that they have a chance to seek legal advice on whether deletion is the plan legal or not. Since Vietnam is one of the countries with the largest origins of trafficking in the UK, there are concerns that some deported may be victims of trafficking protected here. Human rights campaigners have expressed concern about the safety of the returnees. Phil Robertson, Deputy Director of Asia for Human Rights Watch, said, "In these cases, the UK should have reflected that Vietnam should have sanctions on citizens' exit and entry illegal scene and will definitely conduct an investigation into these returnees." A Home Office spokesperson said, "Those who have no right to remain in the UK should be in no doubt of our determination to remove them, and our new plan for immigration will make this process easier." At all immigration removal centers, individuals are able to contact their legal representatives by telephone, personal email, fax and through Skype video calls, and additionally mobile phone credit is also provided.
The UK. Bristol police admitted protest ban under COVID powers was unlawful. 4 people arrested while staging demonstrations in Bristol are to receive apologies and substantial damages from Avon and Somerset police after the force admitted its declaration of a blanket ban on the protest was unlawful. Paula Richardson, 60 years old, Rose Martin, 60 years old, Taz Larson, 44 years old, and Roland Dye, 68 years old, were detained on January 25 while protesting outside the Bristol Judge Court linked to the 4 defendants charged with toppling the statue of slave trader Edward Colston during a Black Lives Matter protest last June. They thought the police's behavior was ridiculous and that the police were brutally attacking peaceful protesters in Bristol, so they had to stay on track, and they felt that the case played a big part in upholding that line against politicization. Gus Silverman, a civil rights lawyer at the law firm Irwin Mitchell who represents Larson and Dye, argued that the outcome of the case could lead to actions against the police. Recent protests have seen police use force against protesters, he said. If the officers at those protests believed that all protests were banned under coronavirus regulations, then it is now clear that they were wrong. Avon and Somerset Constabulary spokesman said their staff honestly believed all 4 had committed crimes under the coronavirus regulations. However, we now accept that we have misunderstood the regulations, and that it is illegal to arrest and release the FPN, said people who issued the apology. Thank you for watching. We help you stay up to date all the news hourly. Please subscribe our channel to follow up the latest one.